Apple cider vinegar, often referred to as ACV, has gained popularity as a natural aid for weight loss. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to incorporate ACV into your weight loss regimen, along with research-based facts to support its effectiveness. Understanding apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice, resulting in acetic acid, which is believed to be the active component responsible for its health benefits. It's rich in enzymes, probiotics, and amino acids. How apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss. Boosts metabolism. Studies suggest that acetic acid can increase enzyme activity, enhancing fat burning and reducing fat storage. A study published in the found that acetic acid increased the AMPK enzyme, which boosts metabolism and fat burning. Suppresses appetite. ACV can help control appetite by promoting satiety. A study published in this showed that participants who consumed vinegar with a high-carb meal felt fuller and consumed fewer calories throughout the day. Regulates blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for weight management. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, particularly after meals, reducing blood sugar spikes. A study in the demonstrated that ACV could lower post-meal blood sugar levels by up to 34%. Reduces fat storage. Animal studies indicate that acetic acid can reduce fat storage. A study in rats found that acetic acid prevented fat deposition and improved metabolic health markers. How to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Dilute properly. Dosage. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons, or 15 to 30 milliliters, of ACV in a large glass of water. Drink this solution once or twice a day, ideally before meals. Caution: undiluted ACV can erode tooth enamel and irritate the throat and stomach lining. Always dilute it before consumption. Incorporate into meals. Salad dressings. Use apple cider vinegar as a tangy addition to your salads by mixing it with olive oil, herbs, and spices. Marinades. Add apple cider vinegar to marinades for meat and vegetables to enhance flavor and tenderize. ACV drinks. Refreshing tonic. Combine apple cider vinegar with honey, lemon juice, and water for a refreshing, metabolism-boosting drink. Herbal teas. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to herbal teas for an extra health kick. Tips for effective weight loss. With ACV, balanced diet. Apple cider vinegar should complement a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Regular exercise. Combine apple cider vinegar with regular physical activity to enhance weight loss results. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support metabolic processes. Consistency. Use apple cider vinegar consistently but not excessively. Long-term, moderate use is more effective and safer than short-term, high doses. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your weight loss routine can offer several benefits, from boosting metabolism to reducing appetite and stabilizing blood sugar levels. However, it should be used as a supplement to a healthy diet and lifestyle. By following these guidelines and using apple cider vinegar responsibly, you can enhance your weight loss efforts and achieve your health goals. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.